Peace be upon you to all. Hello, dear students of class 9. I am in front of you again. I am going to take a class about grammar, transformation of sentences. Okay guys, let's we discuss about transformation of sentence. Today's lesson's title, transformation of sentences. Dear learners, before changing sentence, we should know the definition of transformation of sentence. As the definition of transformation of sentence, in general, we can say one kind of sentence is changed into another kind of sentence is called transformation of sentence. But according to the rules of grammar, we can say without changing meaning, one kind of sentence is changed into another kind of sentence is called transformation of sentence. For example, we can say man is mortal. It is an example of affirmative sentence, but when we change it into negative sentence, the sentence will be turned into man is not immortal. In this way, we can change it. I think all of you are clear about the definition of transformation of sentence. Okay guys, let's come to the next point. Now we shall discuss about the rules of transformation of sentence. There are some rules of transformation of sentence. Every student look at the board. I have written some rules of changing sentence on the board. First rule, if any affirmative sentence has only or alone, none but is used instead of only or alone. But when only indicates things or non-living things, it's used nothing but. Okay. And then when only used number or is, then not more than things is not more than is used instead of only by alone. For example, we can say God alone can help us. It is an affirmative sentence, but when it is changed into negative sentence, the sentence will be turned into none but God can help us. In this way, second rule, if any affirmative sentence has must, have to or had to, then not cannot but or cannot help is used instead of must, have to or had to. If we use cannot help, then ing will be used with the main verb. Okay. For example, we can say I must do the work. Okay. It is an affirmative sentence. When it changes into negative sentence, the sentence will be turned into I cannot but do the work. In this way, now dear learners, we can discuss about next rule. If any affirmative sentence has always, then never is used instead of always. For example, we can say they always. If any affirmative sentence has always, never is used instead of always, and then opposite word of the affirmative sentence. For example, we can say I shall always remember you. It is an affirmative sentence, but when we change it into negative sentence, the sentence will be turned into I shall never forget you. Now we shall discuss the next rule. If any affirmative sentence has many, not a few is instead of many. For example, we can say there are many students in the class. it is an affirmative sentence, and when it will change into negative sentence, the sentence will be turned. There are a few students in this class. In this way, next rule: if any affirmative sentence has every if any affirmative sentence has every, there is no is used instead of every. Then next word is used of every, but is used and then next part of the sentence. For example, we can say every mother loves her child. It is an affirmative sentence, but when it is changed into negative sentence, it will be turned into there is no mother but loves her child. Okay children, this was our class. Go through at home these rules. Dear learners, this was our class. I hope you will like it, you enjoy it. Next time I will come again and I will discuss with you about new other topic. Till that, be happy, be safe. Okay, thank you all.